Got Mr. Markey, the owner. He's hard at work. He's putting these little crimpers on here like that. And you strip the wire and you read the directions, and it's in on the crimpers. And we got these at Ace. This is 22 to 16. He's got a little crimper tool there, and it says to strip the wire back a 1/4 inch, which we did, and I measured that. Now he's put the wire in there.
Come back.
And he's got some crimper tool here. He's got to smash that down.
Okay. Okay. Let's see if it stayed good and tight. Okay.
Okay. And this crimper tool has 2 different crimps on it. One big one for certain gauge, and then a smaller one. You got to get something like that. And I'm going to use that when I install my little wire crimpers in my light switch box. I'm going to try using that instead of my pliers this next time.
It's also a stripping tool too. You can strip
Yeah.
it. Yeah.
I see that. And then see, there's holes here. Do you know what those are for? You take a screw, and if your screw is too long, you put it in there, and there's threads on one side of this, and you thread it right through there, and then you can cut it right off,
yeah.
and then you take that and you unscrew it.
Yeah.
That's
they're
pretty,
made for.
That's pretty slick too.
They're made for 1024, 1032, 832. Mostly real small screws for electrical work.
Yeah, 1024 is pretty much standard. 1032s, 832s. So that's kind of a slick, nice little tool right there.
Only, I think they're like 12 bucks.
12 bucks. Okay. All right. So see, we made the black wire a little bit longer than the white wire. So when we put it into the rod, we don't have both of those together. You see. And so he's going to put the black one on there now, and that's going to extend our wires. And we'll probably end up putting some electrical tape around that too. Not I don't know, just for a little insurance policy. I don't think we really need to, but we've got it, so we're gonna use it. Yeah, see, there's a metal sleeve inside the plastic sleeve, and you have to make sure you're crimping down on the metal where the wire is. So, you know, just take your time with it, check it out.
And then when you get done, pull on either side to make sure they're tight.
Yeah.
They don't slip
Okay,
back
so
up.
now that's extended our wire. That's pretty slick. Okay, so we're going to put tape on there, and we'll get ready to slide our extension rod on there. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.